Hey guys, so I have my camera finally charged. It is like the eve of Vlogmas. I am so excited right now. I'm really pumped for this year. Last year, I want to say I only missed 1 or 2 days out of Vlogmas. And he's excited for Vlogmas too. It's your first Vlogmas, my blues. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hi. 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 Yeah. But get down now. Hey, get down now. Okay. I love you too. I love you too. But I'm about to go to work. I just need to change my clothes. I'm in between my shifts. But I saw that something came in the mail. Blue really wants to play with it. It is from the Spirit store, the Spirit Halloween store. I purchased this. This was like the last one. Look at him just looking at it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, you have the cutest little face. Do you see yourself? Yeah. Stop. Okay. Anyway, so I purchased this from the Spirit Halloween store and I really want to show you all. Stop. Oh my gosh. And I really want to show you all what's inside. I got this for Vlogmas for a Christmassy kind of makeup tutorial look, like a character. And yeah, I really want to do Heat Miser, Snow Miser, and also just like Clarice and Rudolph and everything. So this is a part of that, so let's just open it. Hey dude, what's in here? Hey, no. Help you to help me to help them.
Help me to help you to help him.
Help you to help me to help you.
I got this fawn horn headband. So I got this headband. This was like the last headband. I'm so excited that I purchased this. It was the very last one, so you know, like I had to jump on it. So I want to say I purchased this the first week of November. It is currently the last day of November. So it took a hot minute to get here, but that's perfectly fine as long as I got it, you know what I mean? That's all that matters. And I'm going to be doing Rudolph and Clarice from Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And I'm also going to be doing a Heat Miser and Snow Miser makeup tutorial along with the Abominable Snowman. So those 5 looks are going to be happening this next month. Literally tomorrow is the first day of Vlogmas. And yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you all that I'm super excited for this year. And probably tonight I'm just going to do a time lapse of me cleaning and getting my room all Christmassy. And Blue and I are going to be looking for sweaters for him because I want to do a little photo shoot with the baby. I want to do a little photo shoot with the babes. Yeah. But yeah, I need to go looking for a doggy Christmas sweater for him. Something that I can wear that's super cute too. So he and I can be Instagrammable together because it'll be really cute. I'm really excited. And I asked Xavier already if he wants to do the electric safari this year. Even though COVID is happening, we're still going to go do electric safari. We're still going to go and do electric safari. There's going to be a limited amount of tickets, limited amount of people allowed in, and a bunch of other different restrictions and guidelines for this year to make everything COVID safe. So yeah, we're still going, and I will keep you all updated with the rest of the agenda for Vlogmas. But I'm going to finish getting ready for work, and I will see you in a few hours. See ya! Good morning, you guys. It is December 1st, the first official day of Vlogmas. Don't mind my message from my family. I'm looking rough this morning, honestly. I fell asleep on my makeup, I'm not gonna lie to you. So like there's like eyeliner that's smeared and everything. So you should never do that, but I was so tired last night. I just passed out. My projector was on. I finally got my projector set up. It's right there. I need to get a tripod for it though, like an official tripod for the projector that's actually sturdy, because I've tried one of the tripods that I have for my cameras. It's not very good. It doesn't really work out that great. But I'm just gonna get dressed and clean this morning. Hey guys, so it is just a little bit later. I've come home, I've finished eating the food, and I just don't feel like cleaning right now, and I'm super blurry. That's just great. Hi. So, I'm in my room right now. I have the curtains drawn, as you could see, because I decided that I kind of wanted to watch Home Alone. So I'm just like taking a short, tiny break from cleaning and just chilling out watching Home Alone. I already know that I'm going to finish cleaning while watching Home Alone, but I don't think that's gonna be until like the family officially leaves him. So yeah, I will catch up with you guys when I'm in the middle of cleaning the rest of the room. Okay, so I've decided to stop the movie, open up my curtains, and actually clean. So the movie is still playing, but it's just like, it's gone. I plan on painting this whole wall sometime during Vlogmas. I'm really excited for that. So I'm just going to put the movie on pause and turn off. I'm just gonna put you right there for now, and we're gonna get cleaning more. I want to say this looks so much better, you know? I know it's still a little bit like chaotic with like my drink here. I just got this drink from Sonic. I need to like replace these because my plants died. I need to put away this Aquaphor because my tattoo is all healed. And yeah, I feel like it looks good. I am going to be wrapping these two presents right here today as well, and I need to do lots of laundry. I need to fold all of these are clean, and I need to wash all of those. So I need to essentially clean this up right now, and it's blurry. Great. So, and I'm super freaking blurry. Okay, so I feel like this is major progress. These two makeup kind of containers were over on this side, so I wanted to switch it up a little bit. I had two of these on each side of the TV, but one of them broke, so I just moved this one in here, and I'm just gonna keep that right here. I think it looks kind of cute. I have my makeup bag. I need to go through these magazines and just stuff like that, you know? So I'm probably going to do that a little bit later. Xavier got this Christmas candle for me. I want to say like 2 years ago. I still have it. I will never light it just because like it's so cute. Speaking of Xavier, there's he and I last year for our birthday at 21 Keys. I have this candle from Bath & Body Works. It's called Merry Cookie. I have this from Etsy. I have these hand sanitizers. And I got these two fake plants from Big Lots. I think they're really cute and I love them. And then I also have some tissues like just hiding behind there. And yeah, once I sort through these, this will look 10 times better. 10 times better. There we go. And I actually did go through my Halloween purse and I switched it out for my regular purse. So I'm kind of like hiding that behind the scarf. I put up my Camp Crystal Lake kind of little pennant because I love horror movies. It's one of my favorites. There's Machine Gun Kelly right there. I used to have him right there on my door, but because people move the door so much, it actually fell down. So I really want to put that right here. Right there. So I think that'll look really good. And I'm just not going to have anything on the door just because it's easier that way. So I think I'm going to have to go and get some command strips for him. Speaking of Machine Gun Kelly, I actually put a canvas portrait of him right there too. And if you know me, like if you know me, you know that like I love Machine Gun Kelly. I think he's like he's my perfect 10 at least, you know. So I need to finish cleaning this little area right here where all my makeup is. I should go through my makeup bag just because I went through my regular purse. So I feel like I just need to sort through makeup and stuff like that, especially because I know I'm getting more makeup for Christmas. Like I love makeup. I think it's amazing. It's just one of my many sources of expression. So yeah, on to me like just folding clothes, sorting through makeup, and all that other good stuff. Okay, so I just went through my makeup bag and I threw out a few things. I have a few things that I need to like put in the filming kind of area, you know what I mean? So I need to fold some clothes, but after I fold the clothes, I doubt you want to watch me like just do a time lapse of me folding those clothes. So after I fold the clothes, I'm going to be wrapping some presents. So I will see you guys later. Okay, so I just had a real nice talk with my roommate. She's a teacher and everything, so she's in her room doing a class over Zoom, I want to say. I don't know. It is currently a Tuesday. Oh my gosh, how the heck did that get in there? This was in my laundry basket. Psh, okay. I need to do some laundry. I folded everything except for this one like stray sock. And then I don't know where to put that shirt. Like, I've never worn that shirt, but I just don't know where to put it. Home Alone is still playing on the projector. You just can't see it on the wall because the lights are on. But I figured that I would listen to Home Alone while I wrap the presents because I have Dayton's present in. Dayton is my roommate's son, and I got him like 2 sleeping bags from Amazon for Black Friday. It was such a good deal. I want to say they were like $18 each, something like that. So I went to like Walmart and Big Lots and stuff like that, and they had them for like $30 each. They had them for like $30 each, so I just figured that I would order them on Amazon for Black Friday and everything would be great. So yeah, let's just wrap these babies up. I need to find a good angle. So I'm more used to using a knife for this, so I'm gonna go and get a knife because the scissors just aren't doing it for me. Okay, so I'm back and I have a knife now, so we'll see how this goes. Ah, perfection. One is done. Oh my gosh, it's so yellow in here. Wow. Eesh. So I finished wrapping those 2 presents. Here they are in the corner. So I ran out of wrapping paper like for this one, you know, like the same one, because I wanted them to match, but I ran out of this wrapping paper like enough to where I couldn't use it for this, so I just switched over to my other one. Good thing I brought a backup, but I'm just gonna use a ribbon to tie around here and put a label on there for Dayton. And yeah, I feel like making progress, little strides and everything. And like the snow is just kind of like my signature thing. I don't know why, but I am going to go and let Blue out of the kennel right now, and he's just going to be the happiest little camper. I'm kind of thinking about going to get him a sweater today. Are we going to get you a sweater today, my Blue? Hey, sit down. Wait. Wait. He's such a good boy. Wait. Hey, wait. Okay, come on. Good boy, my Blue. Yeah. Come on. Oh, yeah, you're cute. Do you want to cuddle and watch the rest of Home Alone? Do you want to cuddle? Do you want to cuddle with me? Yeah. Oh, this is like his pillow here. This is his pillow. Huh, Blue. Huh, Bluesy. Yeah. Oh, big yawn. Yeah. Oh. Alrighty. Such a big pain in the booty. You a pain in the booty. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So I asked Brittany if she thinks I should take him for a walk so he could get worn out, but she thinks it's too cold for him outside. Oh, yeah, it's too cold for you, sweetie. It's too cold. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Oh, you have the most precious little face. Do you see that face? Oh my gosh. So handsome. So handsome. Blue, sit. Shake. Good boy. High five. High five. Hey, no. Blue, high five. Good boy. Almost. Good boy. You high five. Yeah. Aww. But yeah, I feel like I need to go and get him a sweater either today or tomorrow. Definitely today or tomorrow. I think I'm gonna go tomorrow after my shift at the chiropractor's office, just, you know, to have some content for tomorrow. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do for Thursday and Friday, but on Saturday, that is candle day, baby. So we are gonna go over to the mall, over to Bath and Body Works. I have a $25 gift card, I wanna say. So I'm gonna totally be So I'm totally gonna be utilizing that towards some real nice candles, you know. And I'm gonna be taking Brittany with me just for some extra muscle and for her own personal opinion. So yeah, we're just going to be finishing watching Home Alone here. It's like towards the very end, as you could tell. I'm gonna finish watching Home Alone, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. Blue, do you want to just cuddle for the rest of the day? Do you want to just cuddle? Oh. And I really want to work on being more open and honest and just carefree on the channel. So yeah, that is my goal for the entire month of Vlogmas. So yeah, just keep me in check. I'll see you guys when I see ya. Okay, so it is currently, what time is it right now? Okay, so it is 3:12. Brittany is currently getting her makeup done in the kitchen by one of our friends, and I'm gonna honestly do my makeup myself, but I'm also going to be doing some homework. So I just need to like focus on this just for like an hour, hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours. And yeah, then we'll see where we go from there.